Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. The type of placement that I'm at, I work in an elementary school. It's a urban school district, very high poverty, and just a lot of challenges within the school district itself and the surrounding community. So I work primarily with the students, but I also work with their families and have been starting to do some home visits and things to get more involved with the families as well. One of the things I really enjoy is getting to know the students, my clients, and really forming those relationships with them and watching them blossom. I've done a couple small groups and just getting to know them through the small group has been a completely different dynamic than the individual. And I don't know, I just really like that one-on-one kind of thing. One of the challenges is, there's a lot of challenges. One being in the school. It's hard sometimes with some limitations being in the school setting, and sometimes if the parents aren't involved, knowing that what you're doing affects the 8 to 3 o'clock, but after that you don't really have a lot of control. Another challenge is sometimes the teachers aren't very receptive. I have to pull the students from class, obviously, to meet with them. And sometimes the teachers just think the kids play, because I'll do some play therapy, and as we're playing Uno or something like that, they have to answer a question or we talk about something as we're playing. But when they go back to class, they're telling the teacher, oh, we've played a game. And so really trying to get the teachers to understand what we're doing and connecting them to what we're doing with the client, but at the same time being able to protect the client's confidentiality. I'll have teachers who say, well, what do they talk about? What are the issues? And I can't tell them, so that's kind of a challenge. Something I've learned about myself through this whole process is I have to be careful not to take things home with me. Sometimes I find myself, on the weekends or an evening, wondering how a certain client's doing, or just that emotional attachment. I mean, at this point, it hasn't been really bad, but I see myself doing that, and I just have to be aware of that, I think, just to be mindful and not to get too attached. So that is my check-in. So I hope everybody has a great semester and hope everyone's field placement has been going well, and I look forward to the next few weeks. Bye.